Samsung finally brings some major camera upgrade on their upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung has used same main camera for last 2 generations of Fold flagship phones, but now Samsung has finally upgraded the camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to a rumor on TT, Samsung is used the same main camera on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which he used on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is the 200 missile sensor. This is a very good news because they are always kept the best camera only exclusive to their Ultra flagship. So 4.6 with a 200 megapixel sensor could be a best ever upgrade. But this is a rumors. We are not sure about this. We have another camera rumors regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and this news is report from the Galaxy Club. According to him, Samsung is introduced a brand new 50 megapixel sensor in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. According to rumors, Samsung is not upgrade their front camera sensors and ultra-wide or even the zoom sensor. Samsung is focused their main camera. Only we get 250 megapixel sensors, the main camera in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung has decided to launch their immersive XR headset at their next Unpacked event, which can give tough competition to the Apple Vision Pro. For the immersive XR headset, Samsung made a secret organization which is immersive for the XR development. Lastly, the Fold 6, also in the new Samsung, finally debuted their brand new triple fold tablet. Multiple times Samsung has shown their triple fold tablet a different event, but it ready for 2024. Huawei, which is Samsung's biggest competitor, is also Samsung might also do the same, or perhaps do it before Huawei and claim the world's first title. Let me know what you think about this triple folding tablet design in the comments below. Subscribe for more news.